Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a slime video. So let's get on with the video. So in today's video, I decided that I was going to do an Instagram famous slime thing. I saw a lot of people do it, so I decided to do it. In the end, the slime that I created was very glossy and clicky and very, very poppy. And it made great swirls and great clicks. And it was beautiful before the Daiso clay was even added. The Daiso clay mixed very well into the slime. It was a bit tough, and so I decided to make another batch of the pink slime so I could revive the Daiso clay slime. So I was just like pouring my glue in really quickly, and I literally didn't even add cornstarch or shaving cream because I was just rushing. But the slime was like a huge fail because it was really hard. So in the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys end product. Make it up to y'all. I decided to make a chalkboard slime. I knew this one wouldn't be able to fail, but just in case, I didn't add any more coloring to make it pretty. I didn't add any glitter. I didn't add anything. I was all natural, just chalkboard paint and glue. Slime that I made was very glossy and clicky, and it was very, very, very nice slime. Not even considering that it could be drawn on. And the Daiso clay was a huge fail, and the chalkboard slime, I don't really know if it was a success or not. Please comment down below because I'm kind of confused on that. Also comment down below while you're at it some video ideas. If you guys enjoyed that video, please click like and subscribe. Also comment down below if you want me to do the thickest slime ever, because I really want to do the thickest slime ever. Also, another video, I will give you guys an update about the Daiso clay slime and if it's like better or anything. So yeah, bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video.